You don't need more days to fix your life. Not 21, not even 7. You need one moment, one decision where you exactly stop lying to yourself and do exactly what needs to be done. Because the truth is, you don't need more time. You need more exact truth. And today, I'm giving you something no one else will. This isn't motivation. This is war with the hidden villain. Let's recover your exact core. Today, step 1, never question anything. Swallow opinions whole, especially the ones that are safe. Original thoughts? Too risky. What if someone disagrees? But if it's a trend or something creative, share it without fear. No bad comments can break you. Curiosity is overrated. Turn off your phone. Step 2, no internet, no social media, no scrolling, no texting, no distractions. Just you and your mind. Why? Because most people aren't broken.
They're overstimulated. No space to think. No space to breathe. Your voice feels like noise to others. But that's because you've been giving them the version of you they can laugh at, not the truth. The fastest way to find clarity is to go silent. If you can't spend one day alone with your own thoughts, you're not avoiding boredom. You're avoiding truth. Step 3, destroy to rebuild. Take a journal and write 3 things. The habits that are destroying your potential. The places that drain your power. The lies you tell to be accepted. Now tear the page, burn it, shred it. Why? Because keeping it is awareness, but destroying it is a message to your mind. You're not going back. That version of you ends today. Step 4, the warrior hour. Set a 60-minute timer. First 20 minutes, move your body, run, push-ups, cold shower. Doesn't matter, push past comfort. Next 20 minutes, empty your mind. Write down every thought and feeling. No filter, no structure. Final 20 minutes, sit in silence. No phone, no music. Just breathe, just exist. Step 5, this is where it changes. No more waiting, no more lies. If you don't do it today, there is no time. From this moment, you're done with the old you. This isn't motivation, this is war. And you just won the first battle exactly that's where you got everything to do.